As you can see, nandito na yung order natin. Parang, ilan ba ito? 4 na breakfast at saka 3 spicy chicken sandwiches. So, maglalakad tayo guys. I was planning to eat here, pero hindi ako makakain pa ngayon dahil 9:30 pa yung aking break the fast time, depending on or based on the time that I stopped eating yesterday. Okay, so let's go. So, Pollo Loco, saka na lang ako bibili ng pagkain dyan. Gusto ko yung ano dyan, yung tostada salad. Si Manuel gusto niya rin yung chicken, tostada, salad, yung classic. Saka na lang. Ngayon na, nag-decide na ako maglakad-lakad ulit everyday. I can just come here. Para naman makapagpahinga yung sasakyan ko. Kasi pwede ko siyang hindi i-move until the 3rd Tuesday. Kasi 3rd Tuesday, yung paglilinis, sweeping. Paglilinis, sweeping. 1st and 3rd Tuesdays, sweeping. Siya nga pala, I received the tax documents. So, gagawa tayo ng tax return pagdating sa bahay. Kasi unlike before, na ang deadline was set to April 15. This year, yung 2024 tax submission has been moved to or extended to October 31st because of the fires, calamities that have taken place in California. So, yun. Kaya, mayroon pa akong mga kliyente na hindi nakakapagawa ng mga tax returns nila. So, okay lang naman pag hindi ako busy. Pag hindi ko maasikaso, I actually just really tell them that I can't do it. Hindi ko na-push yung button. Push ulit natin. Kasi pag hindi mo pinush yung button, hindi siya magi-green. Oh. Mag-green din naman. Pero hindi ko kasi alam. Nag-green naman siya, pero ewan ko bakit yung kanina hindi siya nag-green until I push the button. Baka, depende lang sa timing, di ba? Ayan. Kapag nag-cross tayo, bumaba tayo ng curb, kailangan nakatingin talaga, baka madapa tayo dyan sa daan. Sa crosswalk. Hindi tayo pwedeng madapa sa crosswalk, guys. Nakatihaya dyan sa daan. So there is a few people doing this here. Ayan ang PCC. Naka-zoom out siya. Ito yung car wash na dinaanan natin kanina. Ito yung mamang nakatihaya dito. Ewan ko, lasing siya or may sakit or ano. Nagsasalita on his own. You need help? Okay. He's asking for money. Siguro yun yung kanyang style. Tumitihaya doon sa daan na dinadaanan ng mga tao. And then, when he gets the attention, that's when he asks for money. But I saw him earlier. He was walking. Remember, on the way there, he was walking. Hill Avenue Branch Library. Library pala ito. Oh. Hindi ko naman. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Library pala. Kahit na naka-green na guys, when you cross the street, you still have to look. Yeah. To the direction of where the cars are coming from. Kasi baka merong mga hindi nagpipay attention ng mga drivers at saka lumiko bigla. Nako, hindi ka makita. Ganda nito. Kagawa nila. Vacation Bible School. Oh, it started August 4. Paraw hanggang 8 lang. 9 through 12 p.m. Hanggang 5th grade lang din. So, pag gusto nyong mag-register, guys, here is stphiliptheapostle.org. True North. Trusting in Jesus. It's good to start the kids with knowing the Word of God. Kasi kahit na later on, may mga influences na iba, they still go back to what they have learned from before. And God will eventually, faithfully touch them and bring them to His fold. And what we can do is just to trust God that He is going to finish the good work in us. Alright? Pagdating sa bahay, pag 9:30 na, pwede na akong kumain. Oh, ready na din. Kaya lang may mga tinapay ito. Sige lang, kakain pa rin tayo ng tinapay. Pero yung kalahati lang. I'm not gonna eat hindi ko pala chinek. Hindi ko chinek yung laman nito. Baka hindi binigay sa akin lahat. Paano yan? Hindi ko na maibabalik. Dapat 7. Okay lang naman. Mukhang kompleto naman siya. Pero yung mga burritos, nakita ko ang ninipis. Ang ninipis. Let me see. Alright. Parang hindi maganda yung angle dito. Parang ang lapad ng mukha ko dyan. Yung malapad naman talaga. Kahit sa ang angle. You know guys, there's one thing I realized too. That at this age, na-realize ko na the world does not revolve around us or around me. Yung bang kapag meron kang hindi gusto, nagrereklamo ka, kung meron kang gustong i-complain ka agad. There are things, hindi ko naman sinasabi na huwag mag-complain or hindi i-point out yung mga mali or anything. What I mean is, if they are just small things, you can complain in a nice way and try to understand other people. Other people have limitations. Like before, when I go to restaurants and my order is delayed or whatever, lapses that they have, I call their attention right away. It's like I want to prove point. But you know, my son Justin, he would always say, "Mom, don't. It's okay. It's okay. Um, it's a small thing, and it's not the end of the world." And it comes to my mind all the time. It's not the end of the world. Why will I spend my energy getting upset and humiliating people? Hindi ko naman sila humiliate sa harap ng iba, guys. Sinasabi ko lang sa kanila na, oh, bakit masyadong mabagal? Or gutom na ako? Or some things. Or bakit malamig itong sabaw? Example lang yan, guys. So, yes. Kasi sa buhay natin, hindi naman perfect. Ang naisip ko lang, it's good to be at peace. And it's good to understand others. Because magiging at peace ka kung hindi ka nagagalit ka agad, o hindi ka nai-irritate ka agad. We need to be slow to anger and rich in compassion. I've practiced a lot of these when I was still working, dealing with kids. Slow to anger, rich in compassion. Kasi pagdating ng bata sa office ko, I have to let them know, let them feel that I'm here to listen. Hindi ako nagagalit kaagad. Kasi pag nagagalit ako kaagad, without asking them what happened, they will not understand my reaction. And they are going to become defensive. And if they become defensive, then they're not going to trust me anymore. This is a secret to why students were open to me, and most of the time, hindi naman 100%. Morning. Pero yung bang pagdating nila sa office, I immediately ask them, have a seat, tell them to have a seat and ask them what happened. What happened? That's the basic procedure. What happened? What's going on? Tell me, I'm listening. Pero kung there are instances talaga na klarong-klaro na yung bang, there are other incidents. Sasabihin ko kaagad, you know what you did was wrong. Tell me why it's not wrong. Depende, guys. Depende kung kilala ko na yung bata at saka alam niya na rin kung paano ako magitungo sa mga estudyante. Yeah, remembering those things, parang I know I enjoyed my job. I know that. Kahit mahirap, I enjoyed that before. Hindi tuloy-tuloy yung pag-enjoy ha. Before. I enjoyed it, but I enjoyed it before. Lately kasi hindi na nakaka-enjoy. Probably it's because I'm also getting older. Pero hindi pa rin eh. Kasi hindi naman nagbago yung aking mga protocol sa opisina. It's just that there are things that changed. That hindered me to be effective in my position, in my assignment. Alam niyo yun? Just read between the lines. Ayaw pang wait. Wait daw. I-green na yun eh. Pinawait pa ako. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. See, it's nice. Ang bigat naman ito. Ilang pounds kaya ito? Parang 4 pounds. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. Just start telling it to yourself, guys. Though your life will drastically change. Ngayon bang galit na galit ka na? Kasi yung order mo na dumating from Prime, mali. Huwag ka nang maghimutok or magalit ka agad kasi there are solutions. Okay? There are solutions. Pagtawag mo sa kanila or pwede pagtawag mo sa kanila, huwag ka munang tumawag. Kasi you can arrange the return online naman or have it change or whatever. Or punta ka lang dun sa Amazon Fresh or sa mga business outlets or that accept returns. And pag natanggap na nila, immediately naman nire-refund nila kaagad. Saka yung mga pagkain pala sa Uber Eats, pag meron kang complaint and then padalhan mo ng picture kung anong kulang, anong missing, what's wrong with it, right away i-refund nila yung cost ng pagkain. Kung sauce lang yung hindi napadala sa'yo, yun lang din ang i-refund nila. Alright guys, ang dami na nating in-istorya, pero in the future I'm gonna bring you to have a better, deeper conversation. Ngayon, dumating na ako guys. Dumating na ako sa bahay. See you later. Uy.